Hello Style Squad, my name is Tabby and I am here to talk about Me Made May. Whoop whoop! What is Me Made May? So Me Made May is a challenge designed to encourage people who make their own clothes to develop a better relationship with their handmade wardrobe. You set the specifics of your own challenge to make it suitable and useful for you. However, one common pledge is that a lot of participants aim to wear at least one handmade, upcycled, refashioned garment each day for the duration of May. And this got started on the blog blogspot.com if you want to go check that out. I did do Me Made May last year. One of the main differences between last year and this year is just the demand on my wardrobe because I have a different job than I did last year. This year is business casual, where last year I was an industrial sewer, so I need more hardy, more endurable clothes. And this year I just want to look good. I'll be honest. So with that aside, let's take a look at what I pledged for this year. And if you want to check out my last year's pledge at all, it's over on my Instagram. So my pledge this year for 2019 is: I, Tabitha the Cat, not a witch, sign up as a participant of Me Made May 2019. I endeavor to A. Wear at least one handmade, upcycled item each day. 2. Finish one wearable item sewn and one wearable item knitted. 3. Take this opportunity to work on issuing works in progress and use my stash fabric during May 2019. So I had a very similar challenge last year. I think the main difference is I pledged to wear handmade jewelry. I still want to do that, but I didn't include it in my pledge this year. One of the things I didn't also include in my pledge this year that I want to do is not go out and buy clothes during May. I want to make more of an effort to stop and sew clothes rather than just like shelling out cash for ready-made items. My wardrobe currently I think is a quarter, maybe a little more than a quarter handmade. When I graduated high school, I think about roughly 5 years ago, I wanted to have a completely handmade wardrobe. And that's still a goal I'm actively trying to reach for. I'm trying to be better about sewing. Last year I was really into knitting, so my sewing kind of went on the wayside. This year I think I'm going to be doing better, we'll see. So I will definitely put in details on each day what is handmade. I won't bother giving you the details of what is ready-made. I will try to include all the patterns, if there's any, for the handmade items in the description box below. So if you see something that you like that I wore, you can go find the pattern for it and make it yourself. So yeah, bonus points definitely for me if I have a completely handmade item outfit. That is something I will strive for, but not necessarily achievable, just because of my wardrobe right now. But fashion and sewing are both hobbies of mine. They are ways that I like to express myself. I always enjoy wearing handmade items, and I usually get more comments on it, like, did you make this yourself? It opens up more conversations, which I found really, really cool. So I hope that you will enjoy my journey this May in all my outfits. May is over. How did I do on my Me Made pledge? I think I did really good. I was very consistent about wearing a handmade or an upcycled item each day. I pulled together 3 completely handmade outfits, whether it was handmade and upcycled, which I'm pretty pleased about. That was great. I snuck in some handmade socks to my Me Made outfits. That was fun. I don't wear them out much, so I got to wear them out and show them off. I pulled a lot of handmade skirts and scarf combinations, which was really cool. I wore some to work, I wore some out and about. I also came up with new ways to wear things, which I think is always a plus. I'm pretty much an outfit repeater, so wear the same things together a lot. I'm always excited when I can come up with new ways to wear things. How did I do making things? Actually, I'm really pleased. I made 4 different things. I made 1 knitted item, which is this scarf, very bright, out of yarn I got for my birthday. And I made 3 sewn items. I made a top. This was primarily almost finished before May, but I had to do a few things, like I think sew up the side seam and hem it. So this is some simplicity top with a doily fur collar. It's really cute. I like it. I wore it 3 times, I think. So the next 2 things I made from start to finish. I made this plaid pleated skirt. I wasn't too thrilled when I first finished it, and the way I first styled it, I wasn't sure that I cared for it. I wasn't sure that I liked the length. The second time I styled it, I liked it a lot better, and it probably is just a classy kind of vintage style piece that I'll probably like better once I have more things to wear it, because once I finished it I was like, snap, do I have anything that I can actually wear it with in my current closet? So yeah, but it's not bad. I might come to like it more. We'll see. And the last thing I made was kind of really janky. I found this tutorial on YouTube that seemed kind of slightly janky itself. But between the tutorial and a pattern, I kind of figured out how to make myself some bandana PJ pants. They're kind of janky because they don't fit the greatest, and I just have elastic thread at the top to pull it in, so we'll see how long they last. They might break before the year's out. Also, I was really good about not buying clothes, but I did start window shopping online for clothes about around half of the month. But I didn't buy any, so that was good. I did buy a lot of supplies to make more clothes, which is good. I also cut out a pair of polka dotted pants, and I was gonna sew them up, but I realized I didn't have any black thread. And then I started working on one of my other pledges, was to work on languishing wet. So I was working on the sundress. I hit a pin and I bent the sewing needle, so that kind of put a crimp in the rest of my sewing plans. And the weather this month, or the weather in May was really weird, because we had like a day, like the 18th felt full on like a winter day, and it was hot in the beginning of the month and it was hot at the end of the month, but like we had some rain in the middle, and it was so kind of icky and weird. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing my handmade outfits. I'm excited for next year in Me Made May. Hopefully I can finish some things between now and then. Thanks for watching.